Ah, finally. This one. Nyot. Nyot. Me. Finally, the SIA go. Nyot. Yeah, it's not going. It's going. Finally. Ah, yeah, that bird. You want to do hey bird, hey crow. You want I do the soo again?
You want to take video, you take tau.
Huh?
Kalau kau nak take video, upload sekarang sebab deadline dia.
Oh yeah. I got it.
Sekejap, gua take.
There you go. There you go, guys. Singapore Airlines 787-10 coming in. Runway 02 left. I thought it's gonna to that side. Like Plechin, yeah, guys. Look at that. It's coming this way now. There you go, guys. For you guys. Great shot. We'll stand here unless the plane comes again. This runway, all this side. I have to play first. Right there. There's another one right there, I saw it. I should take it. Nah, no need. Little lah. Oh, it's a great windy day, guys. Oh, plane spotting today. Awesome, right? Where's the plane? Right there. Zoom on that plane right there. There it is. 737, guys. 737. Hey, don't do that, man. Don't make it blur, man. Oh, it's not 737, sorry. It's the E190-E. Airlines coming for landing now. Look at that. Great landing. There's another one right there, guys. It's gonna be a beautiful plane spotting today. Right here. This CarPark, look at that. Beautiful. 6, not 7. 6. Okay. Beautiful sunny day. It's a beautiful sunny day. What the heck am I doing? Where's the plane though? That one lah, but there's no more, right? Medium lah. Finally, I scared that bird. That's why you get crows. Should not. There's another this Qatar. Qatar A350 900 boys. I mean guys, look at that. Sorry for the shakiness because of the wind today. Look at that. There you go guys, look at that. Oh, beautiful plane, look at that. Oh, look at Qatar. Oh. Wow, that was a great one. What a great landing. Right in front of my face. That's another one. Right here, right now. Oh, bestnya angin guys. There's another one right there at the back. I think it's an A380. It's a KT Pacific. Please don't make a go around. Don't make a go around. Please don't make it. Just make a beautiful approach for today. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Great landing right there. From KT. All the way down. Nice. It's an A380. Oh. Here comes the big plane now. I think it's the center runway. Not this side. Just now one A380 right there. Sorry guys, I didn't show what the plane is. It's right there. Sorry ya. Stop making blur lah. Press that. Okay, so there's the plane right there. A380 800. There it is. A380. There it is, here it comes. Terang weh. Oh, look at the A380 guys. Look at it. A380 just arrived. Right in front of my face. Wow, nice. The sun is out. Oh, whoa. I saw that. What is it? SIA? Yeah, it is SIA. It is SIA though. Look at that. Oh, I can hear the engine roar. That's the SIA 380 guys. Right there. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Whoa.